friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Virtue Utu, and on this channel I share videos of food, cakes, business. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful yummy popcorn. In case you don't know, popcorn is a variety of corn kernel which expands and puffs up when heated. You will agree with me that a lot of people tend to eat popcorn when they go to watch movies, and even when they're watching movies at home they tend to pop corn for themselves. So just watch how I made this popcorn, and if you're finding it difficult to make popcorn without it getting burnt, I also shared the hack in this video. Today's recipe would only be needing 5 ingredients: some vegetable oil, margarine, popcorn, sugar and milk. There are actually other flavors you could incorporate into your popcorn, but today we are doing milk flavored popcorn.